this video, I'm going to show you how to send and track videos through HubSpot using the Dubb HubSpot integration. The first step to getting contact level tracking when sending video through HubSpot is to install the Dubb Chrome extension. So if you're brand new, there will be a task here to do so. It'll say install the Dubb Chrome extension. You'll click add to Chrome, add extension. During the installation, there's going to be a little pop-up here that's asking for permission to access your webcam and mic. So make sure that you click allow there. Then you will click the puzzle piece and then put a thumbtack next to Dubb. That will cause it to show in the tool tray. Then from there, you will click on this and click log in. Now you will be successfully logged into the Chrome extension. The next step is to synchronize the contacts between HubSpot and Dubb. That way we can identify specifically who's viewing the videos when you're sharing them through your HubSpot messages. So first, inside of HubSpot, you'll visit the contacts section where you're going to select all of your contacts and select all, and then you're going to hit actions here and export view, and then this will give you the option to export your contacts in a CSV format. Once the contacts are exported, you'll remove some of those additional columns. We just need first name, last name, and email. Then you're going to come into the Dubb CRM and contacts, and you're going to import those contacts. Choose the CSV file. There's a template here. Really, it needs to have first name, last name, email, and mobile if you want cell phones. So make sure you're matching their cell phone numbers to the mobile column here in Dubb. You can also add a tag to the contact when you import it so that they will be identified as that specific group you imported. Then hit next and match the columns to the contacts you've imported from HubSpot. Now that the import is done, the next step is to keep the contacts in sync automatically. So visit the Teams section of Dubb, then visit the Marketplace, then visit the HubSpot option, click the install, and then it's going to ask you to log into which HubSpot you want to authorize the connection into, choose the account, grant access. Then you have the option to assign a contact owner and also a tag so that when contacts are generated inside of HubSpot, they can automatically be added into Dubb with a specific tag. Now the contacts will remain in sync automatically to track the viewers. Now let's talk about how to add videos into your HubSpot messages. So when you want to add videos to one-to-one emails from HubSpot, this is the steps you'll take. First, go to create an email. Then you're going to want to open the Dubb Chrome extension. Once logged into the extension, you will click the share option, and then you will add an email here for tracking. Since we're going to be sending this to Darius, we're going to enter Darius's email here. If that's already been added to the account, you can see it'll already be there and you can select, or it'll say add as a new contact. So once that contact is provided, you will now press the copy for email button. And then in the body of the email, of course, always include a sentence. At least one sentence is required. And then you would paste your clipboard like so. And that will include the animated GIF and the link to the video page. And it's going to track their activity individually and sync back to the contact record. Now, when you're ready to send to one-to-many, you will go to your email builder interface. And here you're going to drag a content block that is an HTML. And then from there, you're going to clear the HTML. And again, click on the Dubb button, access the video you want to share, click the share option, and it's going to automatically recognize that you're inside of HubSpot. Here, you can press the drop down and copy HTML. Now we can paste this into the HTML section of HubSpot, remove the padding, and now that video is ready to send from one to many. You can even add personalization text where it's going to have the first name of each contact right on the video thumbnail. For HubSpot, it's contact first name. And now when we copy this HTML, it's going to be personalized for each person that opens this email. Now, this email is ready to send and be tracked to each of the contacts in your HubSpot list. Once you share a video with contacts through HubSpot, you're going to be able to track the results. Here you can see people have watched 100%. They click the link, they open the video, button clicks. All the activity on your videos are going to be tracked automatically, and that information is going to get passed right over to HubSpot. As an alternative method, instead of using an HTML block, you could use a image block instead, and then you can take take the image right from the extension, again, hit the share option, and then download the GIF. Then you can upload the GIF to HubSpot, and then you can take the URL and hyperlink any form of content in your HubSpot email, or the first option where you're taking the HTML.